बाहर रहता वो मेरे अंदर.
Have you ever gossip?
Whatever that. We're here for the mixtape.
Wow. Here we are in Bundelkhand.
We love Vermont. So pleased to meet you. I can't believe it. I'm so pleased to meet you. Where are you guys from? USA. Peru.
అవునండి మైసూరు బెంగళూరు తెలుగులో వస్తే
हम पूरे ईसा परिवार का और सदगुरु के परम कृपा भाज्यों का बहुत बहुत स्वागत बागेश्वर धाम पर कर रहे हैं।
डंडी फामने आ रही भाई।
महादेव की कृपा बनी रहे। और बहुत लोगों को तो हिंदी नहीं आती होगी, पर हमको इंग्लिश नहीं आती। पर हम आप सबके लिए प्रार्थना कर रहे हैं, हनुमान जी से प्रार्थना कर रहे हैं। इस विशेष स्थान पर आप सब आए हैं और सदगुरु भी पहुंच रहे हैं। ये हमारे लिए और इस बुंदेलखंड के लिए बहुत प्रसन्नता की बात है। आपकी साधना मेडिटेशन बहुत भव्य हो, आप इसी जन्म में पीस एनलाइटमेंट को पा सकें, उस परम शक्ति को समझ सकें, ऐसी प्रार्थना हम आप सबके लिए अपने हनुमान जी से कर रहे हैं।
थोड़ी सा पीछे करो, थोड़ी सा पीछे करो।
नमः शिवाय। हरे हरे महादेव, हरे हरे महादेव। बैठो आप सब। कैसा लगा आके? बहुत। हिंदी कितने लोगों को आती है? आई कैन नॉट स्पीक इन इंग्लिश।
आप पूछिए कि आपके साथ एक पिक्चर ले सकते हैं क्या? आप इस तरफ आ जाइए।
हम जिन सन्यासी बाबा के चाकर हैं, हम और आज पूज्यपाद सदगुरु जग्गी वासुदेव जी वो महापुरुष, और हम आज सन्यासी बाबा के पास जब बैठे थे तो हम उन्हें बता रहे थे कि ये एक ऐसी विभूति है जो शरीर में नहीं है, लेकिन आज भी लोगों का भला करने के लिए घूम रही है। कि भारत के एक ऐसे महापुरुष जो पूरी दुनिया में अध्यात्म के लिए, इनर इंजीनियरिंग के लिए, ध्यान के लिए जाने जाते हैं, ऐसे दक्षिण भारत के बहुत ही अद्भुत
Holy, you can open your eyes and be a boyfriend. Indian festivals are calendar oriented, not belief oriented. What's happening on that day? For that, we have a little counter so that people are involved in something, not doing regular things and get affected by it. So this is why when we are doing sadhana, if you're doing serious sadhana, then first thing we say is at least 2 to 3 times you shower and keep the hair wet. At least the top of the head. It's on top of my head.
Can you guess who that person is?
Please read the quote, improve my percentage. Sound good? All good.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you for all yesterday. Thank you for the whole yesterday.
Oh, still, it's not going for me. Yeah. Here at Kailashnath temple, well, if you have not been here, this is a must-see place for anybody in this world. If you come here, one thing you will realize is, you will be proud of being born as a human being, because these human beings, 1300 years ago, they cut through this rock. They did not build this. They carved the rock into this magnificent temple. Three floors, intricate sculptures, variety of expressions, whole stories depicted on the walls. This is simply a daring that even today with all the machines and equipment that we have, we wouldn't dare to attempt anything like this. In those days, just with hands, just with human hands, being able to do this is beyond belief. Well, it is so spectacular that these days people are spouting theories that it could have been done by the aliens. No, these are human beings. This is what a human being can do if they are committed to it. Above all, if there is devotion in their heart, this is what they are capable of. Especially if you are born in India and you have not seen this place, it's a crime. You must see this place. You don't have to be religious, you don't have to believe in anything, just to see what human beings are capable of. It's an inspiration for any human being, it's something you must see. There are no words to describe what's here.
Usually there's Yakshas and Gandharvas in this state. There's a complete one, you can see through his legs. There's a complete one, you can see through his legs.
Namaskaram. Welcome to Sambhajinagar.
Okay.
Breathe.
Well, you won't breathe, is it? You have to tell yourself whether you won't breathe.
No.
So on the 17th, I was waiting that you will come one day here and spend some time here. So we are just waiting for that. Finally, it happened. Thank you very much.
We love you, Sadhguru. Thank you.
Kali and Shiva phenomena is trying to explain that Shiva was absolutely still, inert, nothing, no thing is. And she danced, suddenly energy danced, and then he started spilling creation. every goddamn thing that you have. Hello?
Yes.
Everything that you have, you must use it in a simple act that you do. Then your life is rich. If you had the brain of an earthworm, you would be quite fine. You have a human brain, you don't know how to run the goddamn thing. That's all your problem is, isn't it? You think there are all kinds of complicated problems. No, you just don't know how to run your brains.
This week, the memory I do want to hold on for the rest of my life.
We love you. Thank you. Thank you so much. I love you, sir. Thank you so much.